Hello guys, so first of all please like and subscribe my channel and like this video. If you want to install Mori Gen 3 Verdict Night in your PC, so you need to install LD Player in your PC. You can download it from my link in description. If you download it from my link in description, it will automatically download it in your PC. After installing LDWare, go to LD Store. You can search here Move Region Verdict 3. Then you can go and click on install, and it will load Play Store. It will take some time. As you can see, there is an install button. You can easily install it in your PC LD player, so you can easily play more region in your PC. So I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe, and bye.